Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Keona Michelle. I'm coming to you with an unboxing. My allergies are kicking my butt right now, so please excuse me, but I had to get this video out because I want to know what's in here. You know your girl loves the nail goodies, and I of course want to share them with you because, like, why not? Like, I know y'all love nail goodies too. So I'm coming to you with this month's box, and this is for the Your Nail Lab. This is the monthly nail box by MAKARTT. This is the box right here, and for you who are interested, I will have a link down below for you. You just click that link and you can pick what type of box you want, how many months. You can do a 3-month subscription. You can get the box every 3 months. You can get it every month, which I do, and it is $35 for these nail goodies. And y'all know MAKARTT be coming with the coming. Like, MAKARTT be MAKARTT. So yes, y'all definitely want to get in and get these goodies. If you are interested, which is not bad for the amount of stuff you get, and the quality of the items is just superb. So you definitely want to check this out if you're a nail tech, if you're doing your own nails, if you're just into nails, if you're obsessed with nail supplies like I am, you definitely want to do this. So when you first open it up, this is how the box looks. It says Your Nail Lab in a box. It says www.yournaillab.com for you right there. And then it always comes with this tissue paper type of situation, roll like paper. Get rid of that. And then it has the products in there. So let's get into the goodies. And it says, hey babes. Hey babes. Okay, so I'm just going to be pulling the stuff from out of this box to see what we got. So the first thing we have are some nail tips. Okay, now I don't really personally use nail tips. I use like the full nail that I usually get from Amazon. But these are actual nail tips. If you are like a nail tech or you do nails, you use acrylic, things like that, these would be perfect for you. This is how they look. And so I'm super excited to try these. I've really been wanting to get into acrylic. I just haven't set my tail down to actually do it and start practicing. But your girl wants to get into acrylic. But let me just show you how they look. I really like the shape of them. The shape is given. So here's like a size 0. They have 0 through 10. This is how they're looking. They're long square. This looks like an XX. Probably a 2XL square shape. Yes, it's 2X square half cover. So this is how this one is looking. And then this is a size 10, which is a little smaller. So I am going to take pictures of them just so you can see. I'm going to try to take pictures of what I can so you can actually see how they really look like for real, for real. But I think this is a really good deal to be in here if you are studying to be a nail tech. If you're teaching yourself, these are really good to have. And this square shape is really good. You don't have to do much shaping. So I would definitely be trying these out. Yes, these are really, really cute. They give you a lot in the pack, which is really, really good. So the next thing we have is some pink rhinestones. These come with all different sizes. They are really, really cute. This is how they're looking. They are really sparkling, and I really like that. They're going to be like the whole pop of a nail when you do a set, and I really like that. So I'm so excited. You get a lot in there, a lot of different shapes, a lot of different sizes. Really cute. That's the next thing we have. Then we have this right here. It says MAKARTT. And I think it's a brush, and it has like I'm not like super educated with the nail terms, like the correct nail terms of the brushes, the sizes, and things like that. So I'm just really going to show you. It came in this container, but this is how the brush looks. It says MAKARTT right there. I hope you can see it. And then it has the ball tip on there, a small ball tip. And then on the other side, it has a brush, a little bitty brush for you to do nail art, I know for sure. So if you like to put the lines on there and to do the flowers and things, it has that on there. So this is a really cute brush. I'm definitely going to use it. You can use the ballpoint as well to do your flowers. So I'm definitely going to use it, and I'm super excited to have this. And it's pink for y'all who like pink. So the next thing we have is a blooming gel. This is an art, the collection. This is a soak off UV blooming gel. It's 15 milliliters. This is how it looks. Now I'm going to have to Google this because I don't know what a blooming gel is. So if you know what that is, can you put it down in the comment section for me and kind of explain it to me, because I really don't know like what it's used for. But I love that the packaging is so like thick. It's so big. This is a lot of product and I really like that. And it's just like clear. I don't know what it's for. So yeah, just put that down in the comment section. So I did get one of these, and as soon as I find out what it's for, I'm going to try it out, and I'm super excited about that. The next thing I got is a gel polish. It was packed up in this container, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out so y'all can see what color it is, and I can see myself. I really like that they packaged it in the container so it wouldn't leak out or any messes or anything. I like that. Oh, this is a white. Your girl needs a white. Yes. It's just a gel polish. It looks like this. It's super, super thick. And I needed a white. Girl, the girls love a white toe and a white set, baby. So yes, I'm super excited to get this. And it's MAKARTT brand. Their brand is just phenomenal. We got some more goodies. Yes, we already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. I already got 5 things, but you would think that was enough, but maybe it's not. There's more things. So the next one we have is Rhinestone Glue. It looks like this. Which I have this brand. This is the brand that I use when I do my press-ons and everything like that. So we're going to go ahead and cut this open and see what this Rhinestone Glue is giving. And that's period. So this is the same Rhinestone Glue I have. I have this exact same thing at home. More goodies. So next we have some Aquatic Pro. This is a raw glitter. And I'm just opening up the container. You can never go wrong with a raw glitter, because glitter is fun. Even kids love glitter. So this is how it's looking. Really, really cute. I'm not gonna open it because I don't want it to get everywhere. Glitter be so tricky, but this is really, really cute. I love the color. I love the little iridescent. Then it has the pink in there. So we have one more thing. The last thing we have is the nail extension gel in Daydream. This is how the packaging looks. And then we're gonna go ahead and open it. I'm sorry about my nose, y'all. My allergies are kicking my butt, but I hope you all are still enjoying the video. Okay, so this looks like this. And I'm just gonna put a little color on my, it's not open, on my hand so y'all can see how it looks. This will be good for like a French tip, because it's that pink that you want to go with that white. So this will be good for that. This is how it looks. So yeah, that's really, really nice as well. Those are all the things that we got in the box. I think this was a really good box. It came with a variety of things, which I really, really like. Nothing was the same, so I like that as well, you know what I mean? So we have this nail extension gel. I'm gonna put it back in a box. And then we have the glitter. We have this, the blooming gel. We have the gel polish in the whites. Definitely need that. The rhinestone glue. Definitely need that. Your girl love rhinestones. We have the brush, which is always handy. We have the rhinestones, which pink be popping in the spring and summer. Definitely was a must to have. And then we have the nail tips, which you can never go wrong with nail tips because you're always practicing to perfect your craft. So that's everything I got. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I will have the information down below if you're interested in getting you a goodie nail box, because who don't like nails? But yes, that's my video. Oh, and I got on a new set. You know, your girl had to represent for a little bit. So I have this set on right here. Press-ons that I did myself over at Press Nails and Beauty. Going over there on my Instagram. I'll put it on the screen for you somewhere. Press Nails and Beauty. Go on over there and check me out and DM me your orders, baby, and get these nails popping, because I got you. If you don't like to wear nails but you have events coming up, or you have a birthday and that's only one day, or you celebrate your birthday every day of the month and you need a pair of nails for every day, girl, I got you. Keona Michelle got you. But yes, I love these nails. I love the bling, the sparkle. And this is like a matte set, and I don't usually wear like the matte sets, but I was like, let me try out something different. So your girl did, and I'm absolutely in love with them. This is the regular long length Coffin. So yes, that's everything. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44, as well as my business Instagram at Press Nails and Beauty. Put y'all orders in so y'all nails can be popping for the spring. I got you. Yes, and all my other social medias will be down there. But that's it. Until the next time, all my KeyBees and KeyDogs, Keona Michelle is checking out. Peace.